right now, so we're hoping to be finished today, if not today, tomorrow. Okay, we just finished the post holes. Unfortunately, you missed that. It's too bad. Shucks. And they're all dug. Okay, we missed the cable. We saw stones coming up where the big high voltage cable was over at the back corner. Actually, not high voltage. It's a 500 pair telephone line. So we were very careful. We missed that. We're very happy about that as well. And also, we got the deck cleaned off. We're just doing trim work right now. So we're hoping to be finished today, if not today, tomorrow.